Is the Microsoft Excel Learn with Projects Specialization on Coursera worth it in 2026? If you're looking to learn Excel from scratch or earn a certificate for your resume, this review will help you decide. Before we begin, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. This Excel specialization is designed for beginners and teaches Excel through hands-on projects instead of long lectures. You don't need previous Excel experience, and you don't even need to buy Microsoft Excel because the program uses the free online version of Microsoft 365. You'll learn the skills that employers actually look for. That includes formulas like sum, if, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and index match. You'll also learn sorting, filtering, pivot tables, charts, dashboards, conditional formatting, and practical data analysis. One of the biggest strengths of this specialization is the project-based approach. Instead of just watching videos, you'll complete 12 hands-on projects. You'll build spreadsheets, dashboards, project trackers, and even learn how to use AI to clean data, classify information, and improve productivity in Excel. You'll earn a shareable Coursera certificate that can be added to your LinkedIn profile and resume. While it's not an official Microsoft certificate, it demonstrates practical Excel skills that employers value. So, is it worth it? If you're a beginner who wants to learn Excel by actually using it, I think the answer is yes. The project-based format makes it much easier to remember what you learn, and the AI-focused lessons make the content feel current. If you only want this specialization, buying it on its own may be enough. But if you also want to learn Power BI, SQL, Python, data analytics, AI, or project management, Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Microsoft, Google, IBM, Meta, and top universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, bringing the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're serious about building valuable career skills, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If this review helped you, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.